Ayan na, Tursi. Excited. Walang kamalay-malay. Bangka nila ate. Ethan Gabriel. Ayan, sakay kami sa bangka.
Dari ka lang.
Thank you, Dang.
Parang isang nakaantay ko sa ilo. Katagal lang ito. Sila katawan. Si Tato, ikaw.
Masyadong habain, tuturin mo naman.
Ha?
Pag mahaba,
Hindi, edit ko to.
Huwag mo kong i-video ito ma. Umak-ito.
Videohan kita.
Ano pa yung senior? Ginanong ko ang lagyan kasi.
Kala ko nagpalit na ng balat.
Ang bilis naman, hindi pa ako nagsasunfade eh.
Kala ko sunburn.
Kunin ko na lang to dito. Ano? Ang kataba-taba mo kasi. Ano ba yan na? Hirap na hirap ah.
Reserve cake.
Ano? Yan na tayo.
PWD daw.
O, PWD man tayo. Dito mo na yung bag. Lagay mo dito yung bag.
Yung wala tayong ano, sa ano. Oo po tayo.
Kaka-life jacket, dalawa.
Jacket extra chicken. Extra rice. Take two lunch jacket. Life jacket po that's your ticket for your food later. Sa lunch area. No life jacket, no food. Extra life jacket, extra chicken.
Init ka ba?
So kailangan, dito po madam, dito sa ano nila. Ibibigay po yung masterless natin doon sa Coast Guard. Kasi need po nila i-clear yung masterless natin for passenger safety po. So para po yun sa atin lahat. Okay? Is everyone in good condition today? Yes? Okay, that's it. Thank you. Okay, so waiting tayo ng captain. Mag-orienta siguro tayo. Okay, so ma'am, sir, our tour itinerary today is tour C, right? Tour C?
Tursi.
Tour C, Tour C, Tour C.
Yes,
okay,
Tour C.
so Tour C, ma'am, sir, is composed of 5 stop for 5 destinations in total. Helicopter Island, ma'am, sir, for swimming, snorkeling, and then picture taking. Katlaw Lagoon for kayaking, swimming, and picture taking as well. Talisay Beach for lunch area, my favorite place. And then Matinlok Shrine for picture taking. But Matinlok Shrine, ma'am, sir, it's private place. So for those wanna go inside, there you need to pay extra 200 pesos per person. There we will go on the top of the rocks to take some photos. And then Hidden Beach, ma'am, sir, for last stop. Hidden Beach for picture taking as well and then swimming. Ranked number 1 beach is in the whole world. Yep, Hidden Beach. Okay. So again, ma'am, sir, Katlaw Lagoon, Helicopter Island, Talisay Beach, Matinlok Shrine, and then Hidden Beach. Okay. And then time limit every destinations, ma'am, sir, 30 or 40 minutes. Except to Katlaw Lagoon, we will stay an hour in Katlaw Lagoon to enjoy your kayaking. Like this. And then the rest 30 or 40 minutes. And then also reminders for all of us, collecting coral, shells, sands, rocks is not allowed. Throwing garbage anywhere too is not allowed, ma'am. So we have trash bin or trash can at the time. And then during swimming and snorkeling, no one allowed to touch any corals under the water. And then while the boat is running, ma'am, sir, please don't block the front of the the accident will happen. And then for those not a good swimmers, or for those who doesn't know how to swim, good luck. Just kidding. For those not a good swimmers, please always wear your life jacket for your safety. Hindi ka marunong lumayo na. Safe. Who doesn't know how to swim? Okay. 7 of us. Okay.
Stay on the boat. Stay on the boat.
Captain 2. Okay? And then our boat name, ma'am, sir, always remember the name of our boat. It's Nathan Gabriel number 1, okay? Always remember because there's a lot of boat in the island. And then by the way, my name is Kim. I'm gonna be your local tour guide for the whole day. Kim, JM,
Hello,
Jay,
good morning.
and then
Hi.
Biakot. Good morning, Biakot. Hello, labas po muna tayo dyan, guys. Show yourself. Show your handsome face. Oh, look how handsome you are, kuya. Okay, same like me. Again, Kim, JM, Jake, and then good luck po. And then our captain, Kuya Robert, is still on the Coast Guard, clearing masterless. And then assistant captain, RJ, good morning. And then our lifeguard today, Kuya Emil, good morning. Emil! Emil! Kuya Emil po, he doesn't know how to swim. Same like us. Okay. So our first stop today, ma'am, sir, Helicopter Island. It takes 15 to 20 minutes from here. Okay, so that's all for now, and then the other information, ma'am, sir, it will be given when we arrive at each destination. Okay? Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for listening. Welcome to El Nido, and of course to our traveling tour, JNC Travel and Tours. Thank you, and mabuhay. Thank you. Okay, Captain is coming. Let's go, Captain! Sa Canopy Walk, ayan po nakikita nyo. Parang meron po siyang village doon sa top ng ng bato. Yan po, Canopy Walk po yung tawag niya. So, bali, overlooking din po siya.
Hindi, mamaya
May
na
spider
po.
net din po siya dyan. Okay, start na po tayo ng picture taking. Sa mga gusto pa mag-picture, bigay po sa...
Tama na. Pa-video ko nga.
Good morning once again. So we are now arrived in our first stop. So this island is called Helicopter Island. Okay. So it's called Helicopter Island because of the shape of the island. So it's look like a helicopter when we at far place. Okay. So activity here, ma'am, sir, swimming and snorkeling. So the swimming and snorkeling area is that over there. Alright, so if you're not a good swimmer, so please wear your life vest for your safety, okay? So ready your mask and goggles.
Life
For
ba?
the mask and goggles. 40 minutes po tayo dito. 40.
I know how to swim like a dog.
Lagay mo na ito yung set.
Alright, so okay. And also don't forget to bring your camera to take up memories inside the lagoon. Alright? And also wear your slippers or water shoes to protect your feet. Alright?
Uy, yung money ko. Nagugtos ba? Andyan ba?
So,
Pambayad ko.
let's count.
Pinatong ko
So,
ay, ito.
wanna rent a kayak, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. So, we can get a kayak for you. 3, 2, 1 big and 1 small. Okay, sa inyo po. Isang malaking kayak. Sa inyo po. Dalawa. Diyan lang muna po. Wait na po. 1.
Huwag ka maglikot ha. Sa likod mo po.
Ayun na may bahay doon na yun. Wala ka nang dalang pera. Ayun may benta doon. May bahay na yun. Pipicture natin kayo, no?
Kaya nga po ito tayo dito.
Oo, bakit?
Wait lang, ikot lang ako. Kanan naman, makanan. Kanan.
Hindi tayo pwede doon sa malalim.
Hindi, diretso. Paikot tayo doon. Ikot tayo. Sige, ikaw lang mag-drive, ma. Kaya mo yan.
Ang ganda. Picture mo yan, no?
Ito maganda.
Parang wala na tayong kasama dito kanina.
Sige ah. Sige. Narinig yun ah. Marami tayo.
Kain time!
Ay, lunch lang. Dito lang mag-lunch.
Alis na rin to.
Kain time! No life jacket, no lunch! Ma'am, sir, okay? Lunch on the beach. Give us at least 5 to 10 minutes for preparing all the food. Okay? Thank you. I'm done.
Lunch time.
Okay, ma-ready na po tayo. So, no need na po magdala ng maraming gamit kasi magla-lunch na po tayo and then go na tayo. We're just gonna eat here guys and then we're leaving, okay? So, no need to bring too much things in the beach.
Ganito lunchtime sa Talisay Beach.
Let's go, Nitan! Nitan!
Nitan!
Para din mag-group picture muna po tayo.
Nitan! Nitan! Gabriel!
Alright,
Paulan po!
guys! Everyone!
Guys!
Dito na po tayo! Dito tayo! Dito po.
Lahatan.
Meron po ng camera nyo po, then picture po tayo. Dito na lang po
Camera
kayo.
niyo po, picture.
Gather.
Ito na yung red sa yate. Pagmamayari po siya ni Sir Chavit. Thank you, sir. Mga private guests po nila nakakapunta dyan. People, ano po man parang beach club. Ganun. Beach club po siya. So dyan po nagre-relax. Dalawa po yung kabilang beach po yan. Ito, and then may beach po yan sa kabilang side pa daw. White sand.
Gusto ko dito malambot.
Okay, so ito na po yung ating fourth stop, ma'am sir. This is our fourth stop, Matinloc Shrine. Catholic po siya, Catholic Shrine, okay? And sa mga gusto pong papasok sa loob, please, pa-ready po natin payment natin. 200 per person po yung babayaran natin to 6 months.
Pagpapasok sa loob.
Kung ayaw nyo pong pumasok, so stay lang po tayo sa boat po. Kasi pag bumaba po tayo dyan, magbabayad po tayo. And there we will go, ma'am sir. We will go on the top of the rocks to take some photos.
Oh, di nagbayad na sila 200. 400.
On the top. To take some photos. Again, pa-ready po ng payment natin, ma'am sir. Magbabayad po tayo sa mga gusto pumasok.
Wala na.
May toilet po dito sa loob. Yung mga
Ayun,
pumasok.
okay. Anong nandyan sa loob?
Meron po tayo.
Anong nasa loob?
Shrine po siya, sir. Meron po shrine dito sa tapos picture for picture po siya. Tapos may beach po doon sa kabilang side. There is a beach, ma'am sir, on the other side. Okay. Doon po sa tapos. Pinakatakot niya po. Pinakatok po.
Pag nilagay mo yung paa mo, 200 agad.
Oo, paglapag mo sa port, 200 na agad.
Kalahating pala.
Pagkalahati pa.
100.
Hindi na ilapag, may ipit lang yan.
Lipat.
Pagkakating pawag na, may ipit lang yan daw. Napuputol yan ako. Okay, sino po yung mga gusto pumasok sa loob?
Ay, hindi na ako.
Ready na po tayo ng pambayad. Magkukulik na po tayo. Magkukulik na po tayo ng pambayad.
Dito na lang ako.
Kayo po?
Nunguna talaga siya kapag natap.
Nilag. Naligo tuloy.
Basic.
Hidden Beach po.
Sino may sabi Snake Island?
Tagum Beach.
Tagong.
Hidden po. Sa Hidden Beach, may beach po kasi dito sa loob. Sa likod po nitong bundok. Okay, so ang daanan po natin, ma'am sir, straight tayo dito, straight, and then turn right po tayo. Okay? Okay, and then you have to wear your water shoes or slippers, ma'am sir, because there's a lot of rocks. And there might be stonefish and surgeon there. So, you really have to wear your water shoes. Or anything can protect your feet, okay? Okay, and then bring also your cell phone, so we'll take photo inside. And there's a clownfish inside, ma'am sir, clownfish or Nemo. Finding Nemo!
I find the Nemo.
Alang chinelas.
Pero naging ano na lang ulit siya, naging top 3 na lang din ulit siya.
Top 3.
May mga iba na pong ano, may nag-top po naman po iba. Okay, so ready na po tayo. So malalim po dito pero mababaw na po doon. So langoy lang po tayo ng konti and then maglalakad na po tayo. Okay? So life jacket po yung mga hindi marunong lumangoy, please wear your life jacket. You have to wear your life jacket.
Hindi ka pa dumaan, hindi ka dumaan sa kanan ko.
Ano na?
Atakin mo ko. Oh, malalim na dito. Malalim na. Gano'ng kalalim?
Ang mga ni cellphone.
Oh, ito may
Ayun na pala, oh.